it's me, Ruby, and
Amy. Welcome back to our DIY. And thanks for tuning in. So what are we gonna make today?
we're gonna make rose loofahs.
What? So what is a loofah?
A loofah grows off of a tree.
It doesn't grow in the ocean?
No.
It grows on a tree, and you know what? I grow these. I do it. We've done it. Ruby and I, we grow loofahs.
Yes.
Yes, and what are loofahs are like really good exfoliants.
Yes. You can make it into a foot scrub. You can make it into practically anything.
Right? Did you know that you can also eat loofahs? Like when you pull them off the tree,
Yeah.
there's all these like black seeds that come out of it, which I can show you down below, like a before and after. We then replant the seeds and then they keep growing up like a vine. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut a little piece off that will fit in our mold.
Yes, we will.
We'll do this so you don't cut your finger off.
Yeah.
No sound effects needed here.
We got perfect sound effects. Sounds like you're cutting dry bread a little bit.
It does, right?
Or like fingernails on a chalkboard.
Yeah, oof. Right? So we're just gonna cut our loofah
Yes.
and put it into another one of your favorite
Silicone molds!
woo woo.
The best thing in the world!
Yes, they're squishy, they're fun. It's like Play-Doh.
It is just a grown-up Play-Doh.
Totally, totes my goats. All right, here you go,
Yes.
all you girl.
So you're literally just gonna find one that fits it. So I'm gonna pop it right in this one. And we have a nice snug fit.
Snug fit for sure.
It's perfect.
Awesome, and then we're gonna use glycerin, rose petals.
And scent.
This is rose
Yes.
scent. Awesome. So let's put
Smells
some.
really good. It smells like actual roses when
And
we first picked them off the vine.
Nice. Should I put some of these in?
Yes. And we're gonna add some dried up rose petals.
Yes, I'm gonna squish this a little tighter. Because the thing about this, it's a sponge. We can always smush it a little
Yes,
bit if
we
it's not
can.
fitting. Stir that up.
Let's add more rose petals. The
Heck
more
yeah.
the merrier.
Yes, heck yeah. I think we might need to melt it a little bit more. What do you think? Or actually, I think we're good. You want to just pour it in? Pour that puppy in quick. And it's all right if it pops up.
Because that's just how you want it. Oh, we just made the perfect amount.
Perfect.
And it's fine if you get your fingers in the soap. It's hot. It's just it isn't that hot, and you can easily wash it off because it is soap.
Awesome.
The convenience.
Very cool. So meanwhile, we're gonna do what we always do,
Yes.
which is put it in the freezer.
Yes.
So that,
But first we should spray it for the.
yeah, of course we need to spray it with
Yes. Rubbing alcohol.
what? Yeah, as you've seen on some of our other DIY videos.
Yes.
Yeah, that one's got a stick. That might be a little.
Yeah.
We'll pull that one out.
Okay, let's add a little more.
Yeah, clear
And
that
then
out. Push it down.
Let's pop it in the freezer.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
So we're back and we finished. It's all dry now, so I'm gonna pop it out.
I picked some roses for you.
And the back has all the flowers on it because they float up to the top. So it's a clear loofah, and I'm just gonna peel off the excess. You can do it with your hands. You can take a special X-Acto knife tool, whatever you want. Just, I think it's easiest to just peel it off with my hands. And also the heat of your hands will help melt the soap down. So, yes.
Yes. Ruby, you're turning into me. Yes, girl, yes.
And then you have a rose soap.
It's a rose loofah soap.
Yes.
It's like all handmade.
And it feels really nice on the back.
And homegrown. Let me smell it.
Ooh, yes, it does smell really good.
Yeah, are you gonna use that one tonight?
Yes.
For sure. That's what we do. We make soap. Gets people in the bath, right?
Yes.
So if you're having trouble getting your kids to take a bath, they said watch us.
Yeah.
Because then they'll make soap and then want to take a bath,
Yeah.
right?
Like, that's how I want to take a bath now.
DIY with Ruby and I. Hello.
Yeah.
Duh. Yes, girl, yes. Thanks for
Yes.
watching, guys. Make a rose loofah.
Yeah.